Hello everyone, welcome back in another video. This time we're unboxing another iPhone. Another beautiful day and another iPhone to unbox. This time 14 Pro, let's take a look at it. I purchased this iPhone 14 Pro for a really attractive price of only $820 US, so not bad. I mean, if you're probably from US, it's not the greatest price for you because in your country probably the prices went down quite a lot. But here in Europe the iPhones are quite expensive, so the retail price of this 1-year-old iPhone is just 820. And in my opinion this is a pretty good price, because most of the iPhones are actually over 1,000. So let's take a look at this device. And here we go. We do have our cable first, and other than that, here is our phone. We don't have the original packaging, so that's why this came in like the Redmi 9C NFC box, whatever that means. But yeah, here it is, our iPhone. Let's turn it on. It's all cold to the touch because obviously the weather is pretty cold outside. And yeah, I've got to tell you that I don't see any of the scratches on the phone. It looks really good, to be honest with you. Alright, it's already on, so let's configure this phone and let's set it up. Yeah, I like this silver color, it looks really good. I don't see any of the scratches. Yeah, the quality is really good, to be honest with you. Okay, so we've got this phone already configured. The apps are downloading. Let's take a look at the phone. Let's see if everything works. So cameras, the wide angle and the other ones, they also do work just fine. I see no problems whatsoever when it comes to the pictures. Let's take a look at the microphones and speakers. 1, 2, 3. This is the test of the microphones. This is the test of the microphones. And just like this, you can tell that microphones and speakers do work fine. So let's proceed into the Safari and let's maybe search for something. Let's search for Apple. It does load up the page flawlessly, so that's not a problem. Let's go to the settings and let's take a look at the condition of battery. It's at 100%, so yeah, you can tell that this is really good. Pretty much a new phone. So yeah, I see no scratches. The phone looks just great. We're gonna list this thing for like, I guess, 1,100. And yeah, let's sell this. Okay people, we managed to sell this phone for 4,200 Polish zloty, which is $1,067. So we made a profit on this phone around 200 USD, which is a pretty good margin, to be honest with you. I'm really glad that we made it. If you want to see more videos like this on my channel, please leave the like under this video and let me know that you like this, so I can just write a comment that you like it or not. So I will just continue on posting more videos where I resell the iPhones and do some businesses. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.